Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get this Spirit Bunny Pom Pom in Hearttopia. So, in this new update, Hearttopia has a new event for the Easter event. And in here, Hearttopia has a special event token that called Spirit Bunny Pom Pom, this one, that it can be used in the event exchange store, this one, to buy the special item at this store. But to get this Spirit Bunny Pom Pom, it's actually pretty easy. First, you can get it from your daily quest. This one, you will notice it has a reward Spirit Bunny Pom Poms. This one. So make sure to check and complete your daily quest every day. For example, in here I want to complete my daily quest from NPC Annie's. I will give it her apple. Like this. And then I will get the Spirit Bunny Pom Poms. This one, you can notice that my Spirit Bunny Pom Pom has increased like this. And not only that, you can also get the Spirit Bunny Pom Poms randomly while doing different activities in the game. For example, things like gardening, cooking, fishing, or other normal activities that can randomly trigger rewards that give you bunny pom poms. For example, I want to do bird watching at the Bailey J's room. And then I will bird watching the European robins, for example, like this. This one, you can notice that I just get the Spirit Bunny Pom Poms from these bird watching activities. This one, you can notice that my Spirit Bunny Pom Pom has increased like this. So just do random activities in the game to get more Spirit Bunny Pom Poms. And okay, that's it. That's how you can get these Spirit Bunny Pom Poms in Hearttopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!